What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. Today, basically I'm announcing that I'm doing another giveaway for the Underglow. So definitely, if you're interested, pretty simple. All you got to do is comment below anything, and you can comment anything below and be subscribed to the channel. And next Friday I'll be announcing who the winner is. It's for the same kit as last time. I'll throw in some clips of the kit itself on car installed, but yeah, that's pretty much it. But also wanted to let you all know that the shop is open. A little windy, sorry about that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any merch, definitely link will be in the description below. I also do custom orders. See, custom team banners. Of course I got my Fitted Squad banners as well, but got those on the website. If you're interested in a custom one, definitely let me know. I'm going to put a new one on the website where it's custom banner. You can choose the font and the text, but if you have a design already, just shoot me a DM or a message and we can kind of work on getting that done. But right now I'm about to head on over, check out the homie Luis. Dropping some of these banners off to him, and checking out what he got going on with his car as well. Alright, so I'm here at Speed Zone. Looks like they already got his car in the back. Won't never get tired of that R33. But yeah, go ahead and check out the guys, and I'll pick up the camera in a second. So yeah, looking clean. It's always clean. And we got the coupe here. I think he's getting custom steering wheel installed. Hey. Always good. We got so many R33s here today. 3 of them today. Nice ass chassis over here too. Right hand drive. Huh. As you can see. Well, kind of see.
Test this sucker out.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do a whole new full video for this, but it's coming along pretty good. Really nice. Right? It was massive. Nice, nice.
Oh, that's a little tuner. I saw the little tuner switch underneath your steering wheel.
Yep. Hey, what is that?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
That is pretty serious.
Pretty serious.
Is that all plexi?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got lights in here and everything. Can't really see too well with all the light out, but there's a light in here. But that's pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if we're gonna get a sample or not with the copyright and all that, but I don't know, we might.
Your whole suspension, your fucking pedal commander, all your XK glows, your steering.
Yeah.
Your voltage is like, I'm gonna fucking lose.
So much on that battery.
I got a nice like S375 in there, a little small compact.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking run everything for them.
Nice.
Shit.
Nice.
Rerouted right back here.
Mm-hmm. So far, I just got my Underglow on mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. My
separate battery.
no, just my battery.
Are you running the system now too, or no?
Nope, not yet. Alright, so this is not the exact same kit that's gonna be given away, but this one is. But I had to get some good shots together while we're here. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely if you'd be interested in the kit itself. Right now I just have it set to my 3 custom colors, but let me see. We got some other modes and stuff I could do. Let me get connected here. Alright, so we got some custom scenes. That's a breathing one. A twinkle. Energetic. Romantic. Candlelight. Dating, which is close to that, I guess. And this is a movie one. Guess it's trying to simulate white, but it's not really. But I usually just keep mine on DIY, do it yourself, and switch between my 3 colors. But yeah, it's a lot you can do. You can sync it up to music too, but I'm not going to do that just yet. But yeah, if you're interested in winning a kit, all you gotta do is comment below, make sure you subscribed, and we'll get you entered. I'm gonna keep doing a few giveaways here and there. If you guys are interested in anything else that I have as a giveaway, go ahead and leave it as a comment below as well. Look at this, so clean. Let's see. I know I already ended the video, so I'm gonna have to edit this video clip in before. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Oh, bag too? That's what's up. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.